Computer, ask DEEBOT to start cleaning. Alright, here's a first impression and opening of the robot vacuum that we ordered recently. It was a budget one. Amazon had it on sale for $200. So we're gonna pop it up and take a look at it. And a box within a box. It's pretty common. It's a DEEBOT. It's okay. I can't remember. I'll get the name here in a second. Alright, let's pop this there. Oh, and inside this box it looks like we have, you guessed it, another box. Alright, well, I just hope it doesn't keep going into smaller boxes and there's actually nothing in here. Alright, so it's open. Open this up. If I can get this cut. Little tab or something. Make sure nobody steals it out of the box, in the box, in the box. That way. Another way. Oh, and inside of there, yeah, it's not a box, it's a piece of cardboard. So, alright. DEEBOT N79S. Quick start guide. Looks like we got instructions. Yay. Oops, awesome. Oops, lost it. Alright, yep. Got our cleaner tool for the brush heads. Looks like we got a remote. I'm gonna put that down. We want to keep those. What we got here? Plug in for the base station. Let's get this bad boy out. It's got a little bit of weight to it. Feels nice. And it should be as easy as charging this thing up and hitting start. And then I saw there's a bunch of different programming you can do and stuff for it. Yep, so there we go. Some nice tires on her. Brush, spinny wheel, bumpers. Let's see, make sure we know how to do this. It's easy enough. Empty that, just quick little, push that down, pull it right out. Awesome. Ah, has the batteries. Our two brushes. I believe these just snap on. Oh, that's quick. Alright. There's our base station. And yep, just plug that in there. I gotta find a place to put that. Here's it for the remote. I wonder if it comes pre-charged at all. Doubt it, but we'll see what happens. Alright, we're gonna throw these in the remote. Alright, I'm gonna find a place to put this in its base station and let it charge up. And we'll get this thing going and see what we think. From a lot of reviews I saw it's supposed to be equivalent to the, was it the 890? The Roomba 890, which is about $500 or $600 I believe right now. Like I said, this was on Amazon for $250, and then they just happened to have a deal with $50 off instantly. You know, like once you add it to your cart, you know, it applied it or whatever once you got to the end. So. Alright, that's it for now. Give me a few minutes and we find a place to plug this up and go from there. Alright, I just plugged the base station in. I flipped the main power switch on there. And I'm gonna put the home button. Let's see what happens. Whoa. Go home, robot, go home. Oh. That's not the home button. That's the spot. I don't know. I should probably read the instructions. Let's click this one. Maybe this is the home button. Maybe we should read the instructions. Alright, let's check this thing out. Oh, look at the little guy go. Does that mean it's charging? I assume that means it's charging. So, okay, well that was pretty cool. So I'm gonna read the instructions real quick and yeah, let this thing charge up for a bit and see if I can figure out how to connect it to the Wi-Fi and to the app and all that stuff. Alright, so we got the app downloaded. There's the app right there. It does both Apple and the Google Play Store. Download it, register with your email address, and then it's real easy to set up. As long as you know your Wi-Fi password, and make sure you log your phone or whatever device you're using onto the same network. Hit the little add robot. You'll select what kind you have, which this is, whatever it was, hold on. The DEEBOT N79S. I don't know why I keep forgetting that. But you'll select that, and then once you got it downloaded, you can, up here in the corner, the little 3 dots, you can do your scheduling. You can do each day of the week. You can do Monday through Friday, Saturday, Sunday, however you want. I mean, if every day you want it to go off at a different time, just select that, and then you'll select what day or what time you want it to begin. And at the bottom, you got your directional keys, your turnaround, single room, edge, just like on the remote. So if you lose the remote, you're still good. And now we're gonna see about, and should be able to just add this to, what is it called? Add a skill to my Alexa app, or to the Alexa, and then they'll talk to it through there. I believe it's just telling it, you know, to start or to return home. But that's the only thing you can do with that. But, you know, still, if you get annoyed with it, you can just holler at it and be like, hey, go home. No, not like that. You get what I'm saying. So, yeah, letting her charge. This thing was going off earlier with a 2.5-year-old. And she did pretty good. I mean, she was interested in it at first, and no, leave it alone, let's do a thing. You know, a couple times telling her, you know, no, not to bother it. She left it alone, she'd watch it and ooh and all, and then go in another room, she'd lose interest. So far no issues with that. But we did have it, you know, to go off and do its thing whenever no one's home. So, but I'll show you here in a second some of the ways it goes around. It fits under the changing table, the crib, the couch, so that's pretty cool. And it has gotten a few things sucked up in it. But the little sweepers, they'll stop, they'll start beeping. You go in there, you pull it out, and put it back down, and let it take off again. Pretty easy. Alright, let's see this thing in action. There, just got it linked up in the skill added in Alexa. And the way you gotta do it is you gotta say ask DEEBOT to start cleaning, or ask DEEBOT to stop, or ask DEEBOT to start charging. So, computer, ask DEEBOT to start cleaning. And there we go. Let's see if we can get it to return home. Computer, ask DEEBOT to start charging. I don't know if you could hear in the background, but she said, okay, DEEBOT is da-da-da, to acknowledge that I received the message. And I was using the app too, and the app is pretty responsive, especially when you're on the same Wi-Fi. I haven't used it from away from home yet. We'll see how that goes, but I mean, I can use it through the Alexa app or through the regular app. So pretty cool. You know, $200, I guess, on sale. 200 not on sale. I'll put a link to it on Amazon below. Check it out, and like, subscribe, share if you want. And if you want to subscribe, because if I have any major issues with this, of course I'll make a video on that. But so far, we got mainly hardwood floors, like I said, and with the small kid at 2.5, she did pretty good at leaving it alone. Alright, have a good one.